Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I'm working on my 56 again, and I want to work on the inside of the door here, trying to remove the rust and everything so we can paint it. So I'm going to use my little air grinder first and use the little sander, and then I'll use a wire brush probably. Okay guys, there's this little lip down here, I think down that holds the bottom mold, and you can see it's rusted behind it, so I'm taking it out. And all I'm using is a chisel. Let's try to pry it apart. It's probably riveted on there, and I'll probably have to grind those down. But you see there's rust back there, so we need to get rid of this, or it's just going to down continue rusting. So I'm going to remove this and then I'll start grinding again. These nylon bristles is pretty good to get into these smaller places right here where the other one won't. Okay guys, I done some of the flat areas, some of the big areas. I took just a sponge sander over it just to scuff it up and everything. And then I done the process of degreasing it, and then the prep and everything to put some more, use some more POR 15 on the back side of my doors and everything here. I still need, I brought them inside because it looks like it's going to start raining. They're dry to the touch, but I might have to go over a few spots here. But as you can see, the inner part is rusty down there and everything, so I need to apply some of this in there. So that's what I'm going to finish up, and then we'll have the door, the inner part of the doors done. Okay guys, as you can see, I put some in the bottom down there too, because there was rust down there and everything. So one thing we do is let this dry and see if we need to touch it up. So getting a little closer on Project 56. Stay tuned for more updates. As always, thanks for watching guys.